Welcome to the Beech Mountain Lodge, and we want to show you how to use some of the systems around the house. And this is the living room, and the media system is over here to the right of the fireplace, and we want to start with that. So in these cabinets we have our media system, and it can do quite a few things. It's got surround sound. It has a large screen projection system. It's got about a 7-foot screen, so that's fun for watching movies or anything you get on your computer you can put through the system as well. Now the key is to start here with the Sherwood receiver, and you have to hit two buttons to turn it on. First you hit the power button here, and then you also have to hit another button called on standby, which is right here. Okay, so once it comes on, you'll notice that it lights up here. This says it's on FM radio, and for using the DVD player, you want to come over here to where it says input and hit video and click it until it says video 2, just like that, and that's where the video system is hooked up. And then what you'll do is you'll come over here to the DVD player and turn it on. And then this is the controller for the DVD player, and all you'll do is open the door, put in a DVD, and then you'll close it. And on the DVD controller, all you have to do is hit the play button, which is right here. But now there's one other thing. In order to see it, you've got to turn on the projector. So this is the controller for the projector, and you'll see it has an on button. So what you want to do is turn around here, and you'll see up here in the ceiling we have the projector. So point the controller to the projector and just click it once, and you'll hear it beep, and that turns on the projector. Now the other thing you do is you have to pull down the screen, and what we do for that is we just use the fire poker to pull down the screen because it's too high to reach. So you just reach up above the fireplace and grab it and pull it down, and it should catch just like that, and then the screen is down and ready to go. And you'll see the screen is lighting up, and it says there's no DVD in the DVD player, but that's because there's not one in there. But if you put one in there, it should work fine. Now the other thing too is you want to use the source search button on this, because you can hook up the DVD, or you can put an iPod player on there. You can connect your computer, and so on the controller here you'll see there's a source search button. So you always want to press that, because whatever's connected, it's going to search between those different things. And you'll see it's searching between computer, video, USB display. Now let me show you how to connect your computer to the system, because it's very easy. What you'll do is you'll take this cable, which is a VGA cable, connect it to your video out on your computer, and then you want to take this other sound wire, and you'll connect this into the headphone jack on your computer. Now the other thing you have to do in order for the computer to show up is you're going to have to switch, go over here to the input, and you'll see where it says audio. Just click that until it says tape, like that, and that's where the sound will come through the system. And then on your computer, what you're going to do is set the video out to go to the external monitor, and then as long as you hit source search so that it's looking for computer, it will go through the system. Now what this is going to do is this is going to send all the sound from your computer through the surround sound system, which is great because it's great sound. Now what you'll find sometimes, if someone presses the surround sound buttons too many times, you might get a surround sound feature that doesn't sound very good, but it's very easy to fix. So you see here where it says sound and then surround, all you'll do is just click through the different options. You've got theater, hall, stadium, all these different options, and you can just pick whichever one you like the best. So if for any reason the sound doesn't seem to be coming through properly, just come to this surround sound button and go back and forth between that, and that should handle it. Now if you want to listen to some CDs, we have a 5 CD changer. Of course that's kind of old-fashioned these days, but you can do it, and you'll just come to the audio input and you'll switch that until it says CD, and then turn on the CD player here, power, and open the CD player, and you can play various CDs. We've got a few in there. Just close it and then hit play, and as long as that's on CD, you'll start hearing your CDs. But of course these days most people are going to have their music either on their computer, which will come through the tape as long as you're connected to the headphone jack, or if you have your own wire, you can connect into auxiliary 1 or auxiliary 2 for, say, an iPod or a phone, and then hit audio auxiliary 1 or auxiliary 2. So there's several ways you can do that. Now before every renter comes in, we check all the wires to make sure everything is connected properly. So we would ask that you be very thoughtful about not moving around the wires at the back of all these systems, because it might take a while to sort that out. We do check and make sure they're all working. Now if you're in an emergency and you feel you really have to fool with them, then of course you're welcome to do that. But it's possible that you might make things more messed up than less messed up. Now when you're ready to turn the video system off, all you do is take the video controller and again point it to the projector and hit the on-off button, and it's going to ask you to confirm, are you sure you want to turn it off? And you just click yes, and that will turn it off. Now the video system upstairs is almost exactly the same as the one downstairs, but there are a few minor differences. We'll just look at it real quick. So again, you have the Sherwood receiver, which you first have to turn on. So you hit the power button, and then you also have to hit the standby button, the standby on button. The main difference up here is you're going to use video 1 on the input, so that's what it's at. And then up here, once it's on video 1, you see we have a little chooser so that you can choose what you want to use. So set receiver to video 1, and then you'll click number 1 on the controller for DVD, or number 2 for the Wii game. And you can use number 3 and 4 if you want to hook up your own devices in the back, but you would still keep it on video 1 here. And then again, the surround sound, if you ever have trouble with the sound, you can just click through the surround sound here like that. So once you've turned on the receiver and made sure that the setting is on video 1 through the input selection, and then through this up here you're going to choose whether you want to watch a DVD or Wii. And the DVD player is down here. It works just like the one downstairs. You just turn it on, and here is the DVD controller where you can hit play and the various options for the DVD player. Now again, up here we have a video projector and a controller for that. So the video projector is up there, and you'll just hit the on button. You'll hear it beep. And then once again we have a screen that you just pull down, and that way you're ready to watch DVDs. Now once again up here we have the option of plugging in your computer, and anything you can get through your computer and the internet you can show through the system. And up here it's the same thing. You're going to put the receiver on the input button, select it until it says tape, and then I'll show you where you need to plug in your computer so that the sound and the video come through your computer. What you'll do is, you'll see over here on the wall there are some cables, and the cables there have a VGA input that you plug into your computer, and then it has a headphone plug that you plug into your computer on the headphone jack. just like the one downstairs, and then that sends everything through the media system. For playing the Wii game, you just turn it on and then make sure this video is on video 1, and then up here on the selector you will hit the Wii button, just like that. And then this is a wireless Wii receiver. It doesn't have a wire, so you can set that over in front of the screen on the table, and you just turn it on with this little button. The blue light comes on. When you finish using it, just turn it off so it doesn't use up the batteries. And once again, when you're finished using the projector, you just hit the off button on the controller. It will ask you to confirm, hit it again, and it will go off.